Question 4. A moving body undergoes a change of momentum. What is the unit of change of momentum? You see, momentum is meters, so mass into velocity, right? Mass is kg, unit is kg, velocity is meters per second. Now I can introduce a second in the numerator and in the denominator, it won't affect this thing. So kg, meters, second and second will be second squared into second. Kg meters per second square. This is base unit of Newton, right? This is nothing but Newton, kg meters per second. So mass into acceleration, Newton. Mass into acceleration is force unit is Newton into second. So N into S, Newton second is going to be the unit of change of momentum. Now, momentum's unit is Newton second. Change of momentum is nothing but P final minus P initial. Both of them will have same unit. So eventually change of momentum will have same unit, Newton second.